morning, sir. Welcome to the Taste Tempers restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Aring Anama.
Okay, sir. Let me check the reservation program. Okay, sir. So your name is Mr. Anama and you have a reservation for one in a non-smoking area at time of 8 a.m. So I show you your table, sir. This way, sir. Will this table be alright, sir?
This is perfect.
Okay, thank you. Have a seat, sir. May I fix your napkin, sir? Here's the menu, sir. Excuse me, sir. With your effort, do you want warm water or cold water?
Just warm water.
Okay, sir. Here's your water, sir. So if you need anything or your order is ready, just call with me, sir. Okay, sir.